Oracle serves a lot of really established enterprises, and trying to understand what those processes are is something that I think Oracle's very good at doing. When the Oracle Startup Program came through, the program gave us pretty much unfettered visibility into how Oracle thinks about innovations like ours.
We were integrated with Oracle almost from the beginning because it's very core to what we do. So as part of our partnership with Oracle for Startups, we've had a lot of deep access to OCI. We've been able to get in there and stand up our own cloud infrastructure and really kind of test out how our platform can integrate with a lot of that OCI cloud technology.
The reason the cloud is the perfect place to run your analytical and machine learning workloads is that these are workloads that sometimes need tremendous amounts of capacity.
It's unlocking growth. Now you can grow without growing your risk.
There is no better partner in the world to help take your data from data to decision than Oracle.
My name is Carol Fowler, co-founder and CEO of Transmute.
I'm Brian Jacob, CTO, one of the co-founders for data.world.
I'm H.O. Maycott, CEO of Molecula.